like a high elevation. So I take pillow like so. Well, this might even be high, but let's find out. I take like so, and who knows what the sitting bone is? I know you know. Sitting bone. Huh? Tailbone? Yeah, pretty much. You know, divide your butt into thirds, and that back third is your sitting bone, right? Now, the reason you have to be on that back third is because you don't want to sit, see how I'm sitting flat, flush on the floor? You don't want to do that on the cushion. If you just do like this, you find your sweet spot. As soon as you find it, you know, oh, wow, you see? Is any difference? You feel a little difference? You feel different? You different? No? Okay then. So perhaps you have not found your sweet spot. Perhaps the cushion's not high enough. Perhaps you're one of these individuals who does not need that. The point, how about you?
Yeah.
You have to slide off of it. Slide,
Like,
slide.
yeah, you're on
a
an
little bit
angle.
more.
Yes,
Slide
yeah.
forward, 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 forward.
Acquaint you with this option, this tool, right? You may have something you use that's high, that's not slippery like a folded cushion, that will give you better support, better grounding. In any case, this is how you want to meditate most ideally.